Hello to everyone. Today I am going to unbox together with you this battery charger from the Würth company. In this video we hook together what is inside in box, and in the next video then I would like to make video with charging of my battery in the car. Don't forget, if you want to buy the same or similar battery charger for very positive price, check the description below the video, and we can check first the box. So it is the 24 volts to 1.5 to 10 ampere. Then on the back side of the box you can see the name of the battery charger in all the languages. I think that you can find here all languages from the European Union, but yes, I think European Union. So let's do it open. So what is inside? So when I open the box, you can see the nice charger. It's really big and robust. So I take it out. So we have it here. So we have here the power cable, and then we can see here some status, and we have here the type, and then we have here the mode. So I think that we have the type of battery. You can see here the WET, then we have here AGM, and then is here some LETH, and also you can see here, we can see here the 12 volts, 24 volts, and then some sub and this. I don't know what does it mean, but we can check it together. And then you can see here the status of your battery in the car. We have here 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Then we have here the cable for the battery. So one is plus, second one is minus. You can see it here. Very nice. All the things are very robust when I take it to my hand. Also cable are very precise and more high quality. When I return it, we can see also the information about the battery charger. So again, the same information as you could see on the box, and here you can see real name. So we have battery charger WBC-15. And last thing what you can find in the box is some manual on procedure for this battery charger, and it is also in all languages of the European Union. So you can find here all the information what you need to know. I think that here you can find also information about the status what we checked together a few minutes ago. So all the information are here. So I prepare in the next video how to charge real battery in the car, and I think that is helpful. And don't forget to to check link if you want to buy the same, and also don't forget to subscribe for the next video. So thank you for the watching and have a nice day. Bye.